Welcome to our tutorial video on how to sign up for Boston Water and Sewer Commission's new customer self-service portal. First, go to our website at www.bwsc.org. Then click on the My Account button in the upper right corner. Once you're on the CSS portal webpage, click the Sign Up Now link in the lower right corner of the screen. To register for an account on our new CSS portal, complete the form on the right. There are several options if you need assistance. Let's sign up now. First, you'll need a valid email address that can be verified. Type your email address in the box and then click the Send Verification Code button. Now go to your inbox and look for an email from Microsoft on behalf of BWSC. This email will contain your 6-digit verification code. Type the code into the box and click the Verify Code button. Note that the verification code in your email is only valid for 5 minutes. If you need a new one, click the Send New Code button. Next, you'll create your password by typing it in the box labeled New Password. You'll need to confirm your password by typing it a second time in the box labeled Confirm New Password. Now you'll enter your first and last name in the appropriate boxes. Next, you'll need your account number. This is a new 7-digit account number that you can get in 2 ways. First, it's on our new bills. Second, you can use our account number conversion tool at www.bwsc.org/ANC-tool. Lastly, you'll need your activation code. Note that this is not the same code as the verification code that you received in an email from Microsoft earlier. This is the new 6-character alphanumeric code that is on your new bill. Once the form is complete, click the Create button. After you click the Create button, you'll be logged in to the CSS portal and taken to the home page. Thank you for signing up for our new customer self-service portal. We're confident that you will find it helpful and easy to use. Now that you've registered, you'll have access to all these great self-service features.